Gemini 3.1 Pro just dropped today, and I want to show you exactly what I built with it for free. So first, let me show you what Google is saying about this new model. This is their official blog post from today. The title is "A Smarter Model for Your Most Complex Tasks." 3.1 Pro is designed for tasks where a simple answer isn't enough. Now let's look at the benchmarks real quick, because these numbers are impressive. On ARCAGI2, which tests completely new logic patterns, it scored 77% compared to 31% on the old Gemini 3 Pro. That is more than double. On Humanities' last exam, it jumped from 37% to 44%, and it is now beating Sonnet 4.6 and competing with Opus 4.6 across most benchmarks. Where can you use it? Starting today, it is available in the free Gemini app, Google AI Studio, Notebook LM, Vertex AI, and Android Studio. And the best part, same price as before. No increase. Now let me show you exactly what I built. Go to gemini.google.com. Completely free. Click Tools and select Canvas. Write or paste your prompt in the box. Then click Pro at the bottom. You will see it says Advanced Math and Code with 3.1 Pro. Select that and hit Send. Now watch what happens. Gemini starts thinking and writing all the code automatically. After a few seconds, click Preview and look at this. A full live flight radar tracking over 10,000 planes worldwide right now. I click any plane and it instantly shows me the altitude, speed, heading, and origin country. All live data updating automatically. Zero coding, zero paid subscription, zero API key. Just one prompt and Gemini 3.1 Pro builds everything for you. This is what automation looks like in 2026. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.